Whoa. Hey folks, it's almost 5 o'clock Friday, Black Friday, when I'm recording this, and it's going to be a red Friday. The Dow Jones is looking to drop 800 points right at the open. So I guess from what I understand, some news out of China and a new variant on the COVID coming out of Africa. So, you know, when you think they got things solved with all these vaccinations, and this honestly will probably be, and I've read reports on Twitter and stuff, this will probably be a multi-year problem. So we're not going to get too fancy. You're not going to do too much editing today. We're going to basically pull up all the Dow stocks, and one of the stocks that we own personally is Exxon, and even the oil is down. It looks like Exxon's going to be down about 5 points prior to the market. So I am on the Webull app here. Let's start and get into the Dow stocks. We're going to run through all 30 of them rather quick, and let's go. Let's start out with American Express. We're going to do these in alphabetical order. We'll probably spend about 20 seconds on each stock, folks, and I do appreciate you guys watching. Hey, give me a thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it. And follow me. My name is Pat Dees, and this is Money Me. A little bit more serious today. I've been kind of up all night, actually, watching the news, and I thought, man, why wait till 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock to do a video? Let's get this out in the morning and kind of share on the news. So American Express, as you can see, looks like it's going to be about down $5 or 2.9%. American down $1.22, basically a 0.5%. I wonder how the tech stocks. Apple down $3.80, so basically, I'm going to round up too, just for time purposes, almost 2.5%. Boeing's almost down $12, 5.5%. So probably anything that's related to travel is getting whacked. Caterpillar down $7.57, 3.66%. Cisco, wonder if any stock, maybe all of the down stocks. Cisco's only down basically 55 cents, or about 1%. CVX, Chevron, another oil stock's definitely down $5, a little over 4.5%. Goldman Sachs is down $14.13, 3.5%. Home Depot, let's see. Home Depot is going to be down basically $8, almost 2%. Now, keep in mind, this is all pre-market. This is the indication the market don't open until 9:30. Honeywell is going to be down almost $4, about 1.84%. IBM is looking down $1.55, so 1.33%. J&J down $1.42, less than 1%. Intel down basically $1, almost 2%. Coca-Cola down basically $1, 1.5%. JP Morgan is going to be down almost $6, 3.5%. McDonald's, let's look at McDonald's. Oh, that was the wrong. I was going to say McDonald's the only stock not down. No, McDonald's is going to be down 5.32, 2% too. First, when I hit the ticker, was the wrong one. 3M is going to be down $2.63, about 1.5%. Merck down. Merck is the first stock so far that's up 87 cents. So Merck right now is the first down, so about 1%. Merck. Microsoft. So I wonder if Pfizer will be up. Microsoft's down almost $4 a percent. I think Microsoft could be at a point where we could see probably a pullback, honestly, to 310, 315 area. My opinion. I'm not a licensed broker. Just full disclosure. Just personal personal investor for a long time, and we talk about different things. So let's go to Nike. $3.60, 2%. Procter and Gamble, 2% or $2 down 1.4%. Travelers, the insurance company, no indication on that one, so we're not going to call nothing on it. United Healthcare down almost $5, up 1%. Salesforce down $5, 1.76%. Verizon down 60 cents, about 1%. Visa down $5, 2.5%. Walgreens down about 62 cents, 1.3%. Walmart down 221, 1.5%. Disney probably will be affected. Yeah, down $5.20, or 3.44%. So there you go. Oh, and last one is the Dow Incorporated, down 1.63. So out of all those stocks, pre-market, the only one that was indicated to be up was Merck. I didn't realize that Pfizer's not in the down. Let's look at Pfizer real quick though. Yeah, Pfizer's indicated up $2.44, so almost 5%. Moderna, I wonder how that. Yeah, up 21.56, almost 8%. So I wonder if Moderna is going to start going back up again. We really could see this. Looks like it kind of filled this gap. So really, the next 305 and whoa, 330. So we really could this Moderna. Unfortunately, this could be the news that Moderna was waiting for to really start curving back up, because it had hit. It was up here in the 450 range back in September and bottom out at 210 in November. So, all right, folks. Like I said, I want to keep this short and sweet. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel. I just reviewed all 30 Dow stocks. We are looking in the red today, except for the COVID shot stocks, Pfizer, Merck, and Moderna. Just be careful out there and have a good day. And message me, comment below, and greatly appreciate the support. Subscribe to the channel.